Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's also take a brief look on the Bitcoin market right now. On Bitcoin, you can see the overall price action is not as significant as in the Forex market, so mostly it stands in a tight range. And a few comments we could make here. So if you remember the last time when we talked about it, we said probably butterfly is forming, and we made the suggestion that maybe market indeed could move directly up to the upside, completing some targets and this upward direction, because here was pretty nice acceleration right to the 127 butterfly, and we said, well, take a look, maybe we will get 16181. But later you can see the market start dropping, and that changed the idea that probably we will get different pattern here. And right now market stands in the consolidation in the range of this sell-off. So if you remember, initially we called for taking the short position based on this reversal session on the daily. Yours was got multiple to sell. If you remember, we trade this stuff. Well, currently market stands all the time inside of this range, and until market stands above these lows, it keeps chance on immediate upward continuation. This is actually, guys, very tight standing, tight range, and this market is forming high lows, so maybe we still will get an upward action. What I would like to say is that keep an eye on the daily chart, because take a look on the daily. First of all, we still have our grabbers. So I will show you. Here's, if you remember, based on the Mason indicators, we have the grabbers here. And it's still valid because market hasn't taken the lows of this pattern. The grabbers suggest taking out of this top. And in general, even without these grabbers, but we have the kind of this skewed steep butterfly here with the target around 1250. So it's 127 extension. And while market stands above these lows, it keeps this butterfly valid. We did not see any big sell-off, not see some really fear on the market. This mostly reminds the consolidation, and its consolidation takes gradually the shape of the triangle. It's very typical price action. So currently I do not think that we need to consider possible big sell-off, because currently we do not see any signs for that. So no background for the sell-off has been formed in the Bitcoin market currently. The market behaves relatively quiet and keep chance on upward direction. So that's why currently I do not see really good stops for taking the short position. For a long entry, well, it is possible to consider this butterfly and try and take the position as close to the lows as possible, just to minimize potential loss if still market will break this area to the downside and will form some deeper retracement. But in the current moment, well, I think that this is the pattern that you could keep an eye on.